Lovely people. It has been a while. Ignore the background, it is a bit messy. Basically like a laundry place in a minute. But hello. If you don't know me already, my name is Tala. Sorry, I just heard a noise, scared me. My name is Tala. I do mukbangs, or I used to. So I'm an actor. The reason I don't do them really much anymore and deleted my old ones is because, I don't know, I wanted to change the kind of vibe of my mukbangs. I talk about topics that maybe shouldn't talk about as an actor, just in case, something arises and, they Google me in and all that jazz. So hello. Yeah. So the reason I've not been doing them in ages, I've been doing a lot of acting, working hard. I could post a monologue video that I was thinking about posting. I don't know if you guys would enjoy it though, so I'm not sure. If I wanted to do that, let me know if you'd like to see me in action. But yeah, let's get to the eating. What I made, this is all homemade because I'm skin at the minute and I can't afford takeaway and whatever. But I made some lovely creamy pasta. It's got loads of garlic in, it's got a little bit of chicken in, onions, mushrooms, and I do like to add a bit of sriracha because it just tastes yummy. And then this is a stuffed crust pizza. So yeah, sorry you can't see it, but I mean, it doesn't matter that much to me anyway. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna eat. But what I'm gonna do also is do a Q&A thing. I've got some questions from the Tinternet, and so why not? Why not ask myself the questions and let you know a little bit more about me? So yeah. And I have moved, as you can tell, all my old subscribers. Anyway, I talk too much. Let's go. That is good. I've got brown pasta and like brown spaghetti, like whole wheat spaghetti. That is delicious. It would have been nicer with tagliatelle or something. I just got some water. Let's try some pizza. This is actually stuffed with cheese, the crust. I mean, it's not like I don't like all the pizza, but I prefer to have it stuffed crust, to be honest with you. Not bad. Sorry. Top is a little bit low. Oh, fuck it. You don't give a shit, do you? Okay. Let's do some questions. Don't talk with your mouth full. First question. Are you named after anyone? Everyone. Yeah. Anyone. I am not. Tala is an original name, but I mean, I'm keen to know if anybody else out in the world is called Tala. As far as I'm concerned, I've never met anyone He's called Tala, apart from a guy who was, I think he was from Pakistan, or Iranian. Iran, sorry. But yeah, I've not really met anyone. My mum was going to call me Tallulah, hence the YouTube name. Dad didn't allow it, so from Talia, she took out the I and got Tala. So there you go. When was the last time you cried? This is funny because as an actor, you have to be vulnerable. So I cry a lot. But I actually cried yesterday because I was watching Wonder Woman and it made me cry. So do you have kids? If no, how many do you want? I do not have kids. This keeps turning. I do not have kids. How many kids do I want? 2. I want a boy. I want 2 boys. Oh. One, I want to be named Henny. And 1, I want to be named Heath. So yeah. If you were another person, would you be a friend of yourself? Absolutely. Absolutely. No, I just, you know, I'm really, what's the word? Loyal to my friends. And I don't like to say a bad word about anybody. And I'm a really good judge of character. And I'd say, well, people tell me that I'm quite calm to be around. I just sound like I'm bigging myself up, don't I? I'm just going to stop now. I would be offending myself because I'm great. Do you use sarcasm a lot? I used to. I guess I do. But not as much as I used to. What's the first thing you notice about people? Honestly, not to sound really narcissistic or judgy, but clothes, how they dress. Not everybody's gonna like the way I dress and stuff, but I feel like you can tell what person's into by the style that they have. So I do notice how they look, and to be honest, I prefer how people dress to how they look. Say if I'm like dating, how they dress is actually really important to me. So yeah, and then it would be, obviously how they conduct themselves and things like that. What is your eye colour? Yes. Yeah, it's brown. Scary movie or happy ending? I absolutely love scary movies. Excuse me. But I also fucking love really shit rom-coms and things like that. I'm like teenage movies. So I would say happy endings. Happy endings. Favourite smells. Ooh, this is a good one. I'm going to eat a little bit first because I keep talking, so. Nice. Big bite. Good mushrooms these. Somebody's car alarm's going off. Favourite smells. Okay. I'd have to say the smell of Christmas. I know it's not really a smell, but you know when it's Christmas because everything smells Christmassy. Everything smells like a bit spicy. What else? I love the smell of incense. Any incense. Divine. And fresh laundry. But I think everyone says that. But it's a great smell. What's the furthest you've ever been from home? Like, distance-wise? Good question. I'm really shit at geography. Oh, America. Pennsylvania. My uncle lives in Pennsylvania. And my cousins, my auntie. Do I have any special talents? No. Apart from acting, obviously, but could you call it talent? Yeah. Yeah, maybe. I could also write. I've got really, really good intuition. So, where were you born? So I was actually born down. I was actually born in London. Well, yeah, like Surrey, Sutton, Surrey it's called. What's your zodiac sign? Do you believe in it? My zodiac sign is Pisces, and I certainly believe in like certain aspects of like horoscopes and things like that. I do believe that there are people out there who could probably tell what your star sign is and, you know, the different characteristics. And I do believe we all have, obviously, different characteristics. I think I would believe in it if I was into it. I get why people believe in it, and I don't, you know, doubt what they believe. But for me, personally, I believe in some of it, definitely. Not all of it, though. What are your hobbies? Good questions. I don't have any hobbies, really. I love watching films and, like, TV series and stuff. I used to write a lot of poetry, but not really. And I need to start running again more. Maybe that could become like a hobby. But my hobby, which was acting, became obviously a career for me. So I need to get a new hobby. Do you have any pets? I do back at home. Obviously I live with two housemates at the minute. Back at home I've got 2 cats, 2 dogs. 2 dogs called Zebby and Simba, and then the 2 cats are called Peanut and Felix. I need to eat more, honestly, but I'm going to get some water first, so BRB. Yeah, and they're cute, and I love animals, and I really want a dog. I really want a boxer. Or a husky. Oh my gosh. The dream. Do you have any siblings? I do. I have 2 older sisters. I am the youngest. One lives in New Zealand, where my dad is from. The other lives in Manchester. She lives around the corner from me, actually. Yeah, and I love them both very much. So, what do you want to be when you grow up? Actor, obviously. I'm grown. I'm 22 years old. You know. Who was your first best friend? No. I used to move around a lot. So honestly, I couldn't tell you. I can't remember. I'd say the one my oldest best friend who I've had for years is my friend Jordan. But he's gone to Australia now, so yeah. How tall are you? I'm 5'11". So I'm tall. I'm a tall bitch. What is your least favourite thing about yourself? I'm gonna have to say I have a really small bum. When I used to exercise, which I used to exercise a lot, I used to have a massive bum. But now all I do is sit on it all day, so I have a small bum. But I'm gonna start going to the gym, eating right. This doesn't help, obviously. But yeah, I will definitely get back into it. I think the thing that stopped me from like going to the gym and stuff is my anxiety. I used to go when I was in college. I used to go to the gym 6 days a week, and then when I sort of got anxiety, I used to think everyone was staring at me, so I just avoided going. Like I just hated going to the gym. And I've only just moved here, so I do want to start running, but I don't really like know where to run. I don't really want to run on my own. So I'll probably get my roommates to run with me. Yeah, that's a long-winded story of the thing that I least like about myself. My bum. It's too small. Funniest moment throughout school. Honestly, I hated school. I hated high school. College, I absolutely loved. Best 2 years of my life. University, it was okay. I don't really have a funniest moment, to be honest with you. I've got really crap memory. I've got like a memory like a sieve. So. Yeah. Funniest moment. Next. What was your favourite worst subject in high school? My favourite subject was obviously drama. Worst subject, I absolutely hated German because of my teacher, who happened to be my tutor at school. And geography. Oh god, geography bored the living daylights out of me. Oh, and maths. I was never very good at maths. I did get a B though in my GCSEs. So. What is your favourite drink? My favourite drink is grape soda or rose lemonade. It's amazing. I haven't touched this pizza because I'm getting really full. It's just turned into like a little chat show thing, isn't it? I'm not really eating that much. Maybe I'll give you a little bit more. This is probably going to be the last bite of this because, yeah, I'm full. Who are some of your favourite YouTubers? Okay, so I recently discovered Brandy TV and oh my gosh, I was literally in stitches, like crying laughter. Who else? That's pretty much it. Honestly, there are some people I just really don't get why people like them. But I won't go into it because I know I'll get ripped to shreds, but I don't know. One thing I will say though, Trisha Paytas is mukbangs are just her ordering shitload of food and nibbling on all of it, not actually eating any of it, which frustrates the hell out of me. That's kind of what I'm doing now, but she just, I don't know, it's weird. I don't like it. Not saying I don't like her or her YouTube channel. I mean, she's brilliant and she's got loads of YouTube followers. But I don't like her mukbangs at all. But Brandy TV, favourite. I'm gonna do one last question. I found a good one. If you could live anywhere in the world, where would it be? Berlin. I absolutely love Berlin. It's my favourite place on this planet. And I've only been once, but I've always wanted to go to Seoul in South Korea. And I've always wanted to go to Thailand. Oh no, actually, if I could live anywhere in the world, it would be New Zealand, obviously. But I know when I go there, which I will go there one day eventually, I just want to stay and live there. I've got citizenship, so I can literally just go there, live there, work there, and settle down probably like my sister did, and she went over. But yeah, New Zealand or Berlin. I think I'd live in Berlin first and then New Zealand. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. And it was lovely to do this again with you guys. If there's any ideas that you think I could do or you'd want me to do, have a look at and try out, brilliant. Any food that you want me to eat, brilliant. Let me know if you want to see any acting videos, brilliant. And then yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. I'm sorry I haven't been around much and this probably wasn't the best mukbang ever because I'm not really eating anything. But yeah, I actually really enjoyed this. Usually I don't like doing mukbangs where I talk because I never really have anything interesting to say. But yeah, love you guys. thanks for watching if you watched it. And if you didn't, boo you. Goodbye.